I am here at 2465 Osprey Woods Circle in the community of Cypress Lakes. Wanted to show you this cute 4-2, nice pavered driveway, 2-car garage. A nice size front porch. Through the front door, to the left, you have the 4th bedroom or office. And to the right from the front door, you have formal dining, laminate floors in the formal dining and the 4th bedroom. Through the hall here to the right, you have your kitchen, 42-inch cabinets, granite, and then through here you have your little eat-in kitchen space and your family room. Also has laminate floors. In the main spaces, you have ceramic tile. Through here is the master, which is a great size. You have some main space here, which you can make the sitting area, but there's also this space through here where you can do office space if you want, put a little office in the master. Into the master bathroom, big walk-in shower, and then dual vanities on either side, ceramic tile and also granite. Down the hallway here, to the right, here's your laundry room, and then you come around to your 2nd and 3rd bedroom. Good sized bedrooms. And right next to that, you have your 3rd bedroom here. Again, another good sized room, great sized closets, newer carpet. Into your 2nd bathroom, also granite. And then you have a door to the back patio. So this is the view from the back patio. Cypress Lakes is known for the lakes throughout the community. This is the view from here, which is a great size, oversized pond or a small lake. Cypress Lakes also has a clubhouse that has a gym and a pool, slides. It's a great little community. This home was painted this year, exterior paint. Got some paver area here and then your covered porch area.